YouTube channel. I know that you guys have forgotten how I look because I have been MIA on YouTube. Trust me, मैंने 3 weekends shoot किया था. Like I shot 3 weekends in my life, but I don't know किसकी नज़र लग गई है and the footages got corrupted and I could not send it to my editor to edit them. So I was like, you know what, fuck it. Like let's just do another vlog and let's go from there. Like मैंने एक हफ्ता उसको retrieve करने में और waste कर दिया है. I was like, no, not anymore. I just got back from the gym as I told you and I hit back and biceps. कुछ biceps नहीं दिख रहा है मेरे, but why does like I feel like this is like a little more defined than this is, but never mind. I'm drinking my protein shake with some coffee. Like I take 50 ml of skimmed milk, water, some coffee and protein powder. A lot of things going on right now. Aj I have to get my nails fixed. Like I did not like the way they were, so the people at the salon, they were really nice that they said that they will do the entire set for free and I will get a solid color because it's just too long and it looks very bulky. Like my hands look bulky and because it was so long, I'm not able to pick up the weights that well and I don't want to like screw it up, so I'm gonna get really short and just get like a nice nude coat of pink. I'm very excited. I'm gonna take you guys along with me. I don't know how many days I'm vlogging. It's not the weekend right now. It's I think Wednesday, Thursday, and I have like a few things that I might be covering a few days. So let's see how it goes. I'll take you guys along with whatever goes with me and I will try to share more of my diet and what I eat in a day. So breakfast to ho gaya, but I'll just take you guys along the rest of the day and I hope that you find some inspiration or something if you want to get back to the journey because cleaned up my room a little bit and I'm gonna remove my sunscreen because I've been breaking out and because my friend told me that because I'm not like maybe doing my skincare properly after my gym, so the bacteria from the sweat and everything, because I've been sweating a lot, has been going on my forehead, so we're gonna start doing that. I'm so sleepy. I don't have a lot of work today. I just have like some voiceovers to do, तो वो मैं bed से करके I think I'm going to take a nap before I get my nails done because I'm so tired. But at the same time I feel like अगर मैं अभी सो गई तो रात को फिर से वही cycle शुरू हो जाएगा and I won't be able to sleep on time. So I am a bit like, my friends are coming from Ludhiana and I'm so excited to see them. I genuinely really enjoy being with them and I'm so grateful that I found like good decent friends. Although I do have like really nice friends. Like I have, honestly, I've been so grateful that I have such nice understanding friends and everybody is so nice, talented and sometimes like and people that I would look up to. Also my friend Janvi, she introduced me to Bioderma's micellar gel and this as well. I'm sorry, my eyes are burning, but I was like shopping with her and she said this is really good, so I got these and genuinely have helped my skin so much. So if you're like sensitive skin, this can really work out. I'm just gonna apply some sunscreen and I think I'm gonna take a big fat nap and I'll see you when I feel much better. Hey guys, so मैं सो तो नहीं पाई, like I just couldn't sleep. Some things been on my mind. I feel like that's why I'm not sleeping. Maybe I'm overthinking a lot, but I did rest for a while. Now I'm ready. Literally feels like I'm not wearing anything. It's a two-piece set. My mom ordered it for me and I have seen just salwar hai iske. So yeah, it's a two-piece set. Love it and I could not care less that I low-key look like a politician right now, but okay, let's go. Abhi I'm gonna pack my paneer with me. 100 grams of paneer. Usme I'll add some peri peri seasoning and thoda sa namak. That's all. I love paneer raw. Like I don't even have to cook it. I can have like a whole cube, but it's too much calories. But yeah, love it. I'm back. Now I'm a bit I'm not starving actually. I'm pretty good. I think I'm gonna go complete my rest of the steps abhi ke liye, and then we're gonna have dinner. In the cab, I was just working, and I had like a few calls that I need to take. So wo kiya maine, and yeah, I will show you my meal when I make it. तो दिस इज़ माई फेवरेट. हर एक मील ही फेवरेट है, मतलब अगर अब इतना ऐसा लग रहा है मर मर के खा रहे हो. ऑल्दो आई ईट रियली वेल, लाइक इट लुक्स लाइक वॉल्यूम ईटिंग. तो दैट्स द की टू ईटिंग इन अ डेफिसिट इज टू लाइक हैव अ लॉट ऑफ वॉल्यूम, ताकि लगे कि बहुत कुछ खा रहे हो. इतना भर के सैलड, एग्स, राइस, it does help, and it's going to keep me full for like at least 2-3 hours, which is great. Now I'm going to eat, enjoy the meal, watch Modern Family for the 18th time, and yeah, I need to post a branded video as well, so we're going to do that after we're done eating. Morning guys. I don't know my last tip क्या थी कल की, but I was so tired कि मैं बहुत जल्दी सो गई. I think I slept really early. No, I don't know. I slept and it's 10 a.m. and I woke up and I had no gym to go to. तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. I feel so much better sleeping. If I can feel that my body is not paining anymore, it's recovered well. So I just freshened up, and now I made breakfast, my another favorite meal. It has some sunny side up. Sunny side up banani wo pakki hai all the way, and then some cheese slice, some bread, and my coffee with no sugar. So yeah, I'm gonna do this, enjoy this, and today then we're going out with my mom tonight. So yeah, it's gonna be a chill dinner, but yeah. I love my skin, how it looks, and oh my god, it looks so good. I love it. ये मेरी मम्मी, हम जा रहे हैं डेट पे आज, और मम्मी ने कहा कि मम्मी को कहीं घूमना है, तो आई थिंक HLP is the place, and अभी हम जा रहे हैं. I'm excited to. Let's go. Guys, we're gonna go. I need to get fuel as well. मुझे लगता है हर एक ब्लॉग में मुझे फ्यूल दिलवा रही होती हूँ, but yeah, I'm so excited. My mom is really happy. हम कब से कितने दिनों से घर पे ही बैठे थे, तो she just wanted to go out somewhere, so it's fun. मैं यहाँ पे 100 बार आ चुकी हूँ, फिर भी आज मैं गलत आ गई. लव दैट फॉर मी. तभी हम वापस जा रहे हैं, एंड नेक्स्ट ब्लॉक में जहाँ भी हमने जाना है. तो थोड़ा वॉक हो गया है. मेरे 10 के स्टेप्स ऐसे ही पूरे होंगे. द मेकअप लुक रियली नाइस एक्चुअली. अभी तो सब खत्म हो गया, ऐसा लग रहा है खत्म हो गया है, बट या आई मेट लाइक 1-2 मुझे लोग मिले वहाँ पे, and I've met a person who said that, oh, I watch your videos, and I was like, woo, love that for me. And then she's like, oh, your outfit looks cute, and I watch your videos, and yeah, it's like मेरा पेट उसी से भर गया. But yeah, let's go walk some walking. I completed my 5K steps. भाई मेरे बालों को क्या हो गया? कोई बात नहीं, I look better in the evening, but अभी के लिए यही है. मेरा प्रोटीन ख़त्म हो गया था, and so I ordered this My Protein one. I used to love this. I stopped eating this because it wasn't available on Zepto, and I usually order them last minute Blinkit से. So that was the issue. But I saw today Zepto पे My Protein is available. So I was like, yes, I love how it looks. It tastes like dessert. So I'm so excited about today's oatmeal. So I got the chocolate flavor, of course. And I'm gonna make my protein oats. It's perfectly ripe. I'm just gonna take 55 grams of it, which is like half, more than a little bit of half, like 50 ml of milk. So perfect. And then of course, because protein was not enough, I'm adding the Epicamia's yogurt. And this, like, अगर रोज खाओ तो थोड़ा expensive पड़ जाता है, but it's fine. This is like the only thing that is making me stick to a diet plan without wanting to eat something sweet, because otherwise I would not be able to do it. My bowl, I almost want to eat it right now, but I'm not hungry, and I want to save the meals when I'm actually hungry because I don't get to eat a lot. So I know this is gonna slap, and I'm gonna have the best foodgasm when I eat this. I'm gonna refrigerate it till I eat it for my lunch, and yep, it keeps me full for like good 4 hours actually. मतलब बढ़िया, I don't feel like eating. तो अगर मैं snack करती then I go overboard with my calories. But if I eat good hearty meals, कि जिसमें मुझे पता है कि I'm gonna be full for a while, like I had breakfast with a lot of fats in it, तो it kept me going through 3 to 4 hours, जिसमें मैं एक heavy leg day भी लगाती हूँ. So yeah, you just need to be smart about it. You don't have to starve yourself. You just need to structure it better. Niacinamide has been really helping me. Matlab, I stopped using it for a while, and then I complicated my skincare a little bit, but I think coming back to basics has really helped me. So niacinamide and some moisturizer, and then any sunscreen, honestly. We are back. Love the hair. Now I'm gonna charge my phone, set it up, and then we're gonna shoot the content. तो अभी I'm gonna do my makeup. ये मुझे क्लिप्स नहीं मिले तो मैंने ये लगा लिए. Giving aesthetics. Love it. मुझे लगता है बहुत जल्दी तैयार हो जाऊंगी. But then I want to take the after shot as well. तो फिर मुझे है कि उसके लाइट नहीं रहेगी. So दुविधा बहुत है. I think I'm gonna get ready and then just wait once I'm ready. It's 5:30 right now और मुझे 8 बजे निकलना है. तो मुझे मैक्सिमम से मैक्सिमम लगते हैं हाफ एन आवर टू डू माई मेकअप. अगर मैं बहुत शिद्दत से करूँगा ना, आई कैन डू इट इन लाइक 10 मिनट्स. मसल मेमोरी. I'm ready and I opened my hair and it looks really nice, but I don't think I would be able to wear it in my city. It's too good for Chandigarh to see it. Outfit is so cool though. Love it. Too cute. I love it. This is a very beachy vibe, so I don't think I'm gonna go with it. Or maybe like I can wear something better niche with more coverage, and then we can see if that goes better and I feel comfortable in it because I really like the outfit. So yeah, let's see. Also, I was feeling a little hungry, तो मैंने थोड़ा सा योगर्ट बोल बना लिया. योगर्ट बोल तो क्या ही, इसमें बस एपिगामिया का प्रोटीन, and then I added some protein powder, and I was like, because I don't want to go there ravenous, so that I like stick to the meal plan because it's actually working out for me and I like it. Hi guys, so it's like 10,000 years later because पहले मुझे इतना वेट करना था because I had to get ready early for the shoot, and now everybody also got late. Like everybody's like running 30 minutes late. I was like, and I was so hungry, so I had to eat. अब तो मैं दाल चावल खा कर आई हूँ. It was so difficult. I was so cranky. So I was like, bro, I cannot hold up. So I had a little bit dal chawal. But yeah, I feel so much better now. I'm gonna just drive to the place. It's gonna take me 30 minutes, and I'll introduce you to all my lovely friends, and I'll see you. Bye. Sunshine, sunshine. I think I found it now. What I've been looking for. Isn't it beautiful? It's got my head. ये हर बार यही आ जाता है.
मैं तो आते ही ब्लॉग में आ गया तो नर्वस हो गया.
So but it's fine.
I don't gotta worry about a single thing. I can feel the light coming down on me.
Hello guys, like it's the next day. I came back home I think around 3:34 and my legs are like paining so much because I danced so much and I didn't sleep enough. I had so much fun with everybody. We had such amazing food, like wow. I tried thoda everything. I did not eat a lot. Even if I was eating something like unhealthy, but I was like trying to maintain the portions. So like I ate really, like I tried like 1 slice of pizza, half chicken wings, something like that. So quantity मैंने कम रखा, but I had a few drinks. It was really fun. We all talked and chill, and then we went and we danced a lot. Like a lot. I danced a lot. Like I don't know why मैंने leg day रखा, and then I was dancing the entire night in heels. and it was like when I came back home I was trying to sleep and I could feel my legs were like dead, they were gone. And now I have to shoot today. I have to shoot a haul and then I have to shoot for Dot and Key. So वो anyhow I have to shoot today. I cannot skip it because कल EOD तक I have to send the draft. So I am gonna shoot in a while. अभी तो I have a lot of time. Like I'm gonna rest for a while. I'm gonna eat food. ChatGPT ने बोला है कि don't go into a guilt spiral that you ate. Go back to normal eating. So जो वो कहते हैं वो मैं करती हूँ. I'm gonna make my sunny side up toast and eat it and have coffee and yeah. आज मैंने राजमा चावल बनाए हैं संडे को, तो मैं वो बाद में एग्स के साथ खाऊंगी, which is very exciting. So yeah, I had so much fun and we clicked such nice pictures. They're up on my Instagram and I loved my outfit yesterday. It was so good and yeah, loved it. So we decided to hit the gym today and it was a nice chest, tricep and shoulders. So it was a good gym session. The carbs from last night genuinely did not help much. Actually, I was feeling really full. So yeah, but that was the days in my life. I'm gonna stop vlogging now and I will see you in the next vlog. Probably something different, I am not sure, but I love vlogging. But yeah, I thank you so much for watching and please take care of yourself. Go to the gym and drink water and I will see you in the next one. Bye.